In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Attio. By the end, your Attio workspace will be linked to your Zoom account, so meetings and related activity can flow into your CRM. You'll need access to your Attio workspace and a Zoom account with permission to authorize apps. If your organization restricts installations, you might need an admin to approve the connection. Start by logging into your Attio account in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you proceed, especially if you have access to multiple organizations. Using the right workspace from the start prevents confusion later when you're reviewing installed apps. Once you're in, open your company profile and head into Workspace Settings. This is where all workspace level controls live, including integrations. If you don't see it immediately, check the main navigation or your profile menu. The exact placement can vary slightly based on updates, but it's always within the Workspace Settings area. Inside Workspace Settings, use the search bar and type the word App. This quickly filters the settings so you don't have to scroll. You're looking for the section that manages integrations. Click App Marketplace. This is the catalog of approved integrations for Attio. From here you can discover, review, and install apps that connect your workspace to the tools your team already uses. In the Marketplace, use the search bar again and type Zoom. Be sure it's spelled correctly to surface the official integration. Searching keeps things efficient, especially if your marketplace has a long list of available apps. Select Zoom from the results to open its details page. Here, you can confirm what the integration does and what data it will access. This page is helpful for understanding how Zoom meetings and activity will appear in Attio, and it's a good place to review any notes about permissions or data sync behavior. Click Install. You'll be redirected to sign into your Zoom account and connect it to Attio. Sign in with the account you want associated with your workspace, review the permissions, and authorize the connection. After authorizing, you'll return to Attio where the Zoom app should display as installed. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment or refresh. From here, you can proceed with your usual workflows, and Zoom-related information will begin appearing according to the integration's capabilities and your workspace settings. That's it. Your Zoom account is now connected to Attio. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.